If you want to make Google Calendar events blocks, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create an event in Google Calendar so it shows up as a clear time block on your schedule. This is really useful for planning focus time, meetings, appointments, study sessions, or anything else you want to organize visually on your calendar. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Calendar in your browser. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, especially if you use multiple calendars for work, school, or personal planning. Once Google Calendar loads, you'll see your schedule laid out by day, week, or month, depending on your view. Now look for the Create button. In Google Calendar, this is usually located on the left side of the screen, and it's the starting point for adding anything new to your calendar. Click Create, then choose Event. This tells Google Calendar that you want to make a standard event block on your schedule. Next, enter the event title. Give it a name that clearly describes what the block is for. For example, you could type team meeting, deep work, lunch break, or gym time. A clear title makes it much easier to scan your calendar at a glance and know exactly what each block means. After that, set the start time and end time. This is the most important part if you want the event to appear as a block on your calendar. The time range defines how long the block lasts, so if you want to reserve 2 hours, simply set the start time and the end time 2 hours later. You can also choose the date if the event is happening on a different day. Once the times are entered correctly, Google Calendar will display the event as a visible block on the calendar grid. If you want, you can also choose a color for the event. This is optional, but it can be really helpful for organizing your schedule. For example, you might use one color for work tasks, another for personal events, and another for reminders or appointments. Color coding makes your calendar easier to read and helps you spot important blocks faster. Once everything looks good, click Save. Google Calendar will now add the event to your calendar, and you'll see it appear as a time block in the selected date and time slot. If you go back to your calendar view, the block will be visible right away, showing exactly when that event is scheduled. And that's it. You've now learned how to make Google Calendar events blocks in just a few simple steps. This is one of the easiest ways to stay organized, protect your time, and build a schedule that actually works for you. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.